Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, we're gonna try to replicate this design by using Elementor Flexbox Container. So for making this, I'm gonna install a fresh WordPress on Insta WP site. Okay, so let me show you the themes which I'm using. So I am using the Elementor Hello Elementor theme, the official Elementor theme, and let me show the plugins which I'm using and the plugins which I'm using here are the Elementor Pro, and the essential add-ons for Elementor. Okay, so I have this beautiful layout, and let me try to make this layout by using Elementor Flexbox Container. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, so for making this, we have to go to the Elementor settings, and I'm gonna use the Flexbox Container for this. So let's go to the feature section, and from here we're gonna uh, so here we have to go to the nested elements and make it active, and element of flexbox container, I think. Okay, so it's here, so let's activate this also, and else we don't want anything. Okay, and this is a very great website if you want to practice the all the beautiful layouts and all. So it has so many ways of layout here. Okay, so let's go to the element of flexbox container, and it is active. Okay, so let me add one more page. Okay, so for making this, I'm gonna add a new page, and the theme I'm using is the Hello Elementor. Okay, so you can use any theme which is compatible with the Elementor. So you go to here and choose Elementor full width, then publish the video, publish the page. Okay, so now we have to do one more thing. The page is here, but it's not gonna see here. Okay, so for this we have to go to the settings, and from the settings go to general category, and okay, go to the reading, and here in the static page select the home page we have just added. Okay, so let's save the changes. Okay, so now if I go and visit my page, it will show this page which we have added, the home page. Okay, so it is empty right now. So let's start the video. Let's make this design from scratch by using Elementor Flexbox Container. Okay, so let's go to the edit section, open in new window. Okay, so let's go with Elementor, added with Elementor. Okay, so in this video you can see that we have one image at the background and two section at the top of the image. So I'm going to show you how to make this overlapped design. Okay, by using Elementor we're going to try to replicate this. Okay, so let's go to your settings and then go to user preference. I'm always try to choose the dark theme. Okay, so it is ready, let's update. Okay, so let me do one thing. Go to the settings section and make here Elementor canvas. So this upper part and the lower part will be gone, header and footer. Okay, so let's update it one more time. And okay, so here you can see that it has two section. So let me show you. Let's add the two section. Okay, so okay, so let's add some padding from the top and padding from the below. Let's go to here and go to advanced. Let's add 200 from the top and 200 from the below. Okay, so now let's do one more thing. Yeah, let's increase it. Okay, so now we have to add this image. Okay, let's go to here and add a image section. Okay, so for choosing the image we have to go to the unsplash.com, or you can go to the Pixabay. In Pixabay you will get so many images for free, and no issue by using those images. Okay, so here it is using some this type of image, so let's choose some similar image. Okay, so let me choose this image. Okay, so let's choose some black image. uh, okay, Let's load some more images. And by so let's use this. This is black. Okay. Okay. So now we have to go to this and let's upload this image. Okay. So let's select it and insert it here. Okay. So now it is here, and now we have to make this, and then we're gonna make this. Okay. So let's choose a background color first. Okay. So for adding the background color, we have to go to the main container, and from here go to styles, and let's choose some bluish type of background. Okay, so this is looking almost good, and it has some whitish layout here. If you want to add this, you can also add this. Just go to the gradient one, and from here, uh, okay, so this is you can add the this type of image. Then from the location, you can change the image layout and all, or you can add this type of color too. Okay, so let's choose this. I don't want to show you how to add this. This is I think a image or something. Okay, so this is so it is the main section here. So I'm going to show you how to add this main section. Okay, so our first section is ready. Now we have to make this. Okay, so for making this, we're gonna choose again the two section here. Okay, let's increase the width of this. Now we want to make this square. Okay, so let's go to the widget section, and from here add this one, and let's okay, so this is ready. Now we're gonna add one more, and from here duplicate it. Now go to its upper container and make it row. Okay, so this is two. Now we have this. Now we have to just duplicate this upper container, so it will be here. Okay, so now we have four this. Okay, so now we have to add this logo. For adding this logo, go to the widget section, and from the widget section choose the icon. Let me drag and drop here. Okay, so now we have to choose the stacked one. So I think okay, stacked one. Okay, so this is okay. So let's choose some icon for this. Uh, let's choose some icon. Let's choose this. Okay. So it has some bluish color. Okay, let's go to here and increase this little bit. Here you can play with the size and padding. Okay, so whatever size and padding you want, you can do. You can add here. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna choose some dark image, some dark color of the blue. Okay, so this is something what. Okay, this is for the outside, and for the inner part, I'm gonna choose this same background color. Okay, so let's go to style section. From here, copy this code. Now go to here, and for the and in the secondary color, add this. Okay, okay. So this is looking good, but I think we have to make it a little bit white. Okay, so this is now looking similar type. Let's make it little more. Okay, so this is looking like this. This is okay. Let's choose this. Okay, so in this way you can play with all this. Okay. I don't want to make the video long, so let's add this, and let's write here strategy. Let's make it align center, and I'm gonna choose this color code. Let's choose the same color code. Copy this and go to here, paste it. Okay, so now you can go here and make it. Okay, so now let's add some background first. Let's add whitish color. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's add some padding of 40. Now you have to go to here and make it bold, and from here increase some size. Let's make it 25. And okay, so this is looking good. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to just duplicate it and make it delete the old one and duplicate it. Okay, so let's remove this container also, and we're gonna duplicate this above part, duplicate it. Okay, so like here you can see that we have four container now ready. Okay, so let's decrease some size. I think it is too big. Make it 40. For this, make it 20. Okay, and you can also copy this and paste it here, paste style, so it will paste the all the styles according to the according to this. Okay, so let's uh, change the content little bit. UI design. Now let's go to here and change this content development, and let me go here and change its content. I think we have to make this text font little bit small, 22. Let's make it 20. 22. I'm confused. Okay, so let's copy the styles. Paste the style here also. Just here. Okay, so this is almost ready. We just have to copy this. Okay, so this is already copied. Okay, so now you can see that it is here in the above this image. Okay, so let me first add this above this image. Okay, so you can do one more thing, go to the main layout, and from here increase its width. Okay, so if you want to view, this is looking like this. Okay, and we have to make this above. Okay, so let's go to this container, or you can go to this and go to advanced, and from here choose the em and make it top. Okay, make it top. Okay, so it is top. Let me see here. Okay, okay, so it has some small boxes, that's why it is looking like this. So what we have to do, we have to go this, and from decrease the size little bit. Okay, you can also use this option navigator for going up and down. This is the main container. Let's me so this is main container. Let's make it 0 again. Okay, let's go to here and add 20. Okay, now let's go to here and we're gonna copy the styles to all. Okay, so now it is good. If you want to decrease, let's decrease it like this. Okay, so let's go to this part. Let's go to this part, and we're gonna add the negative margin one more time. Okay, so now you can see that the boxes are small and it is looking almost same. If you add this blue strip behind, it will be looking like this. Okay, so this part is ready. Now just we have to add this above part. Okay, so for adding this above part, you can do one more thing. uh, okay, so for adding this above part, what you can do, let's see, make it 0 again, and we're gonna add this in this. Okay, this. Okay, so now make it white. Okay, this is white, and now we're gonna add this text. Let's do one more thing. We're gonna add a we can add this icon here and this text. Let's copy this content, add the content here, and from here make it like this. Okay, so now it is ready, or you can decrease its width if you want, like go to margin, and from here go to em, and then add the negative margin. It is adding in this. You have to go to this main container. Okay. And drag and drop in this. Okay, this is the main container, this is the icon, and this is the heading. Okay. Now let's add some padding. 40. Now go to this container and from here add a negative margin. Okay, so it will be here. Okay, so now we have to what to do. We have to go to this main container and we can add the negative margin, so it will be at the in the top. Okay, and we have to do same for this. Go to this and add the negative margin. Okay, add the negative margin and it will be here. Okay, so if I go to the previous part and you can see that it is almost looking similar. You have to just change and make it make it little more beautiful, then the whole layout will be same. Yeah. Okay, so let me go to this home page and refresh it one more time. So you can see that the header and footer will be gone and our layout will be ready. Okay, so it is looking almost similar. Just you have to change this background image, there's blue one, and add some padding to this, and this is going outside so you can play with it. Just change the content and all, and it will be aligned here. Okay, so this is okay. So in this way, you can make any type of layout by using Elementor Flexbox Container. And for practicing, you can go to this website. Okay, and here you can find prac- so many content for making the layouts and practicing by yourself. Okay, so if you like our video, like and subscribe our channel. I'm gonna see you next time.